Yeah, the educational portion of faith, I believe, started with my dad. Okay? I was told that my dad, anyway, when the missionaries came, right, they were encouraging the locals to send their children to school. And some of the kids thought it was punishment going to school.
Why?
Well, they're used to the local life, going hunting, fishing, getting that instant, should I call gratification, get the fish, cook it and eat. Go hunt, kill it, then you are going to school, you are wasting your time. You know, when this guy goes into the bush, he'll come back with a bush meat instantly. So they thought it was punishment going to school too. Then, well, from what I was told, before my dad started going to school, okay, he needs a uniform, you know, some kind of shirt.
Can I ask a question?
Huh?
Why was the decision made that he was going to go then? Was he being punished, or why was that decision made?
Well, I don't know. You know, with the multiple wives and multiple children, there's this rivalry in the family, okay? So when these other people took the other part to do this, not interested. I don't know how he decided to be interested, okay? But the first time, according to what I was told, the first time he went to school, the shirt he wore was hidden in somebody's house, okay? So he can go there and put on that uniform and go to school.
Why was it hidden? Why was it hidden?
It was hidden because if he wears it within our compound, then the other children will be jealous, or you know, can make commotion. So it was placed in somebody's house, and he was told to go there to put it on.
By your grandfather? Grandma.
My grandma
okay.
and my grandfather. All right. So they didn't know who bought it. The other children didn't know who bought it. So he started going to school. Okay, that's the Lord I know. But
at what age?
I can't tell you how old he was. Okay, but my understanding is that when his parents passed away, okay, then he started living with the missionaries, okay, so he can continue getting the education. And secondly, at the time, those educational institutions were owned by the missionaries. For example, Catholic, Methodist, Assemblies, Presbyterian, in all these churches, they established their own schools. Okay, so my dad, the person that established school in our community, happens to be from the Methodist sect, right? So my dad started living with them, doing just in the Bible. Is that who was the person in the Bible? They said is that something Eli? I think Eli was the main man. Is it Samuel? I think Samuel.
Did what?
Right, a little boy staying in the church doing the work. So he was there reading the Bible, doing whatever, you know. From there, he got education. That's how I know he started. Okay. Yeah.